How to change vendor name in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change vendor names in your products in Shopify. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account and then in the dashboard, you can navigate to the products here in the sidebar. And then now you can go to your products that you want to change the vendor name. So maybe this one. And as you can see, this is basically the product details. You can modify everything here. And we're going to focus on the right sidebar here in the right side. And as you can see in the product organization, there are vendor names. So you can just change it maybe a checks, you know, and after that you can just click save. And that's it, it's done. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.